If you'd like to use one-time password directly inside Devolution server, you can create a one-time password entry directly within your vault. So you start by clicking the add button here. And you want to look for one-time password entry type. So select it and click continue. Now you'll have to give the one-time password entry a name. So we'll do, in my case, I want to use it for Devolutions account. So I'll do Bob_dev account OTP. You'll select the folder where you want the M3 to be stored. In my case, I'll use my user vault because it's my personal account. You'll have to enter the key that you'll find in the portal itself, setting up the 2FA. So we'll do that just now. I'll head over to Devolution portal. I'm already logged in, but you'll have to log in first and head over to portal. You want to go and sign in security and find two-step verification. For the two-step verification, you'll have to click configure, confirm your password, submit, and you'll have to select the two-step verification method. We'll use Authenticator app just to get the QR code or the key. You'll have the key and the QR code on step 4. We'll go ahead and copy to clipboard the key. We'll go back to Devolution server and we'll paste the key. So now we've got the key pasted here. We can view it and see that it matches the key on the portal. So it matches here. You'll have to enter the account that it's going to be used for. So in my case, account Benderson at OneJammer. I can copy it to clipboard as well. And the application will be, let's say Devolutions portal. For the next 3 configurations, it's by default to what's most common to any authenticator application, like Devolution Authenticator, Microsoft, Google. So all of them, by default, they're using time step for 30 seconds. So it's the time between each rotation of the 6-digit code. For the code size, it's 6-digit or 8. In our case, we'll leave it to 6. And for the hash algorithm, we'll leave it to SHA-1. And if you have any recovery codes for the account that you are creating the entry for, you can add them directly here within the OTP entry. You just click the add button and you upload them directly here. And then you can select add to finish the entry setup. So now that you have the OTP entry created, you can view the 6-digit code and you can copy it to clipboard. In our case, we'll still need to finish the 2FA setup on the portal. So I'll copy it to clipboard. I'll go ahead and head over to the portal and I'll paste the 6-digit code here. And now our setup is done for the portal. What you can also do with the OTP entry is link it to the web session M3. Go to properties, head over to one-time password. And for the source, you'll want to select the linked user vault since we're actually using the user vault for our OTP entry. And you'll have to find it in the credential list here, Bob Dev account OTP. Click OK. In our case, the usage will stick to none. And we'll do update. And now you see that the OTP code is also showing under the Devolutions account website entry. Now, if you wish to use that OTP code directly within the Devolution workspace browser extension, you can just head over to the icon here. In my case, I'll select the vault. I'll use my user vault. And I'll go ahead and find the OTP password that I created. You can view it. You can reveal, copy, paste it directly within the browser extension. Another thing you can do is use the Devolution Workspace browser extension within your browser and access your vault. Go into user vaults. We'll find the website entry for the portal. Click on it and it gives you the website. Go over the browser again. You'll be able to use the username here just by clicking. Click continue. Do that again for the password. Click continue. Now it will ask you for the 6-digit codes for the authenticator. Go ahead and use the Workspace browser extension. And you can find the copy one-time password here. So you click on it and then you can paste it directly here. Click continue. And there you have it. That's how you use one-time password directly within Devolutions server and with the Workspace browser extension. If you'd like to know more about OTPs in general or how to use it with different type of entries or session, feel free to consult our documentation and our knowledge base.